Have you ever been just so excited about a project you weren't really sure how to tell or describe? Never mind. What's going on, guys? Jeff Havoc's back here from the homestead, and it is new project time. That's right, today we are starting our next project, and what it's going to be is about a 5-week series, or a 5-week project, if you will. And we're going to make it into a mini video series. So we're going to put out it's early. We're going to put out a video every Monday on basically what we've done over the last week. So instead of trying to make a video every day, we're going to release one per week and update you guys throughout the project. Now, maybe I won't tell you what the project is. Why don't I show you? So, let's go. For those of you that recognize this place that have maybe read the blog over the last year or so, the next project is at the Beige Bungalow. Let's head inside. Alrighty guys, so the next project is the basement at the Beige Bungalow. So again, if you followed the blog over the last year or so, you'll realize that we renovated the complete upstairs, the whole main floor, all the bathrooms, the kitchen, everything like that. Yes, I will get to a full house tour and I will make that video, I promise. I know I've been saying that for a while, but I will do it. This was the old bedroom, very unsuited for a bedroom. And what the plan is the new closed off area, bedroom, whatever you want to call it, is going to be back in this corner. And we're going to hide the telepost in a wall. You're going to turn around, we're going to have a bit of a games nook in this area where the TV is now. We're going to do some more built-ins over here where there was a closet. And then where this bedroom was is going to be the TV and entertainment room. So not a huge change in terms of taking down walls and putting up new ones, but what it is going to do is going to make a massive difference in the flow of the space. Thanks for tagging along. I introduced you into the space, told you what our next project is going to be all about, and I hope you're as excited as I am. So smash that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, that way you get notifications every time we put out a new one. Like I said, the main ones will be every Monday, but we will be releasing ones every, here and there throughout the middle, just with different builds and different projects that we're doing along the way. So, enjoy the videos, tag along for the ride, and we'll see you guys next Monday.